Okay, welcome to my quick unboxing of the Genius Facecam 1020 HD autofocus webcam. This is a 720p webcam. I bought this for about 30 bucks. So let's just have a look at what's so special about this. So you can communicate an HD image, enjoy widescreen chatting and high definition video quality. There's a unique dangle clip design. Decrease the view angle, make you chatting can be face to face. Okay. This rotates 360 degrees, tilts up and down, and moves down 90 degrees. That's very nice. This clips conveniently to the monitor, and there's accurate autofocus. I highly doubt that, but let's open this up. Okay, so in here we have quick installation guide. Yep. This is... Whoa, what is this? Mini driver disc. Whoa. This is really small. Disc is for PC, Windows only. Okay, that's very nice. Let's open this up. Here's the HD webcam. Yep, that's got nothing more to say about that. Here's the unique clip design that they were talking about. It's unique, alright. Hate this packaging. Oh, jeez. Okay. Here's the webcam. You know, you can swivel this 360 degrees. You can attach this onto your monitor as so. So if I do this, attach. Oh, okay. That didn't quite work, but you sort of get the point. So this unique dangle clip design allows you, well, it decreases the view angle, so you can make chatting face to face, as the box says. So, thank you for watching my quick unboxing of the Genius Facecam 1020 HD autofocus webcam. Please subscribe and like this video. That's not helping. You recording this? You were actually recording this?
Yeah.
Oh, you're evil. Well, you can add that to the outtakes. I'll add that maybe after the thing. There you go. Did it! Woo!
Please subscribe and like this video.